everyone, and welcome to Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. I'm coming on to show you some packages that I received in the mail. And the first one is right here. Oh, wait till you see this one. And I have another box. So let's go ahead and get right into it. Okay, this package right here is from LEMONWOOD Fiber Tools. Ooh. All right. This is called By the Sea. All right. Ooh. Packaged it very well so it wouldn't break. Love it. Giving me natural vibes. Here it is. They say big things come in small packages. This is what you're going to get here. So hold on one sec. So here it is. LEMONWOOD. So there are instructions on the inside of this, and it tells me the different parts. There is a base, a spindle, and one strap ring. This is going to be one of my new gadgets. Oh, and it comes with a nice pouch to put it in with the LEMONWOOD logo on it. And let me know in the comments, have you seen this before? Ooh, here are my pieces. This is a leather strap. Oh, with the ring. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Did she send me blue? This looks blue. Ooh, this is exciting. So inside it gives me instructions on how to put this together. So I'm gonna do this together. Look at the design with the sailboats, the lobster, the waves, the seashell and the stars. This is so me. And on the back, it's stamped LEMONWOOD 23. This is a limited edition. Oh my goodness. Okay, so we're supposed to slide this up like this. There we go. So that's the part of the spindle. Of course, you would put a ball of yarn on here. And then we're going to take this D-ring and we're going to clamp it on here. Clamp it on. If I can get it in there. There we go. And voila, I could take this anywhere. Isn't this cute? This is nice. You guys like it? I love it. If anyone is interested, I could put the information. I will share the information if anyone's interested. But I had to do this. Oh my goodness. And then I can crochet while I'm walking or doing anything. I could take it with me on a trip. And it's in the shape of a lighthouse. And that's why I love it so much. It screams me, right? So let's go ahead and get into the next package. Now this right here is from FURLS. Look. Ooh. A lot of you all asked for this, so FURLS came through. And this is the new Tunisian crochet case. You could put your knitting needles in there too. Excited. Oh, I love the pouch. Oh, it is so nice and beautiful. Look at this. Oh, this is nice. Wow. It has its own case. Wow. Oh my goodness. A nice cover. beautiful dust cover with the FURLS logo on it. And look at this case. This is leather. It has a nice clasp right on the front. On the back, you're going to get this beautiful zip pouch where you can put some other items in there, whatever you choose. And it's deep. Goes all the way down to the bottom of the case. Oh, this is great. Oh my goodness. And if you're thinking about getting one of these, don't forget to use my affiliate link. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's just open it together. Ah. Wow, look at this. Oh my goodness. Oh, I forgot. It came with a Tunisian hook. And they said the first 100 people will receive a free Tunisian crochet hook. And look, I got one. Oh my gosh, it is gorgeous. And it is, looks like a 10 millimeter. Yes, it is a 10 millimeter FURLS hook. Oh, Tunisian hook. Oh my goodness, it is gorgeous. And I love that it has so many different compartments. So I could put so many in here. I'm so super excited about this. So I pulled out a few. Just pulled out some small ones. And we're going to put them in here really quickly. I'll show you. So you can just slide it from the bottom all the way up. See how quickly that went in. Oh, this is nice. Oh my goodness. Look at that. So let me just go ahead and push the envelope and see if I could put a big knitting needle in here. Okay, I might need two hands. Uh-oh, it's going in one-handed. All right, wish me luck. Oh yes, so if you were wondering whether or not you could put a large one in here, this is a US 19. It does fit in here. US 19, this is a 15 millimeter. This is a 10 millimeter. But of course, knitting needle, Tunisian crochet hook. All right, and let me close it up so you can see that it'll fit. FURLS, you came through with this. I love it. I love it. So that completes my haul for today. Oh my goodness. So I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did, showing you some neat gadgets that I got and something I can definitely add to the yarn ship. Something that is necessary because I can keep all these together. Granted, I'm going to move these around and then I'm going to put this together so it'll be a set and work it out. I might put like Tunisian on one side and then my knitting needles on the other side. That's probably what I'll do. Yeah, so let me pull that out right now. But you all have a magnificent day. Thank you for tuning in. And FURLS just went live. So I need to run over there because Victoria is live. It is after 12. It's 12:08. So I got to go. And this is going to upload, obviously, after the live, her live. But you guys have a magnificent one. Remember to live each day as if it were your last. I'll see you guys on the YT street.